Good morning, student, and welcome to my English literature class. Student, today I will explain literature syllabus. Okay, in your exam, 3 chapter will come. Chapter 1, Good Morning. Chapter 2, Magic Garden, and Chapter 3, Bird Talk. Okay. So today I am going to explain your first chapter. It is a poem. The name of your poem is Good Morning, and the poet of this poem is Franny R. Bachchan. Okay. Now in this picture, first observe the picture. Okay, here is a girl who is standing at the window, and this is your sun. It is shining very brightly. These are trees, grass, bird, bees, flowers, and 2 more birds. Here these 2 birds are flying in this picture. Okay. Now the explanation, the summary of this poem is: this girl, when she wake up in the morning, she come to the window and she said good morning to everyone. She said good morning to sky, sun, winds, birds, trees, grass, brownie bees, to everyone. She said good morning. Okay. In this question, how did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? Now, how did you find out it was day? मतलब how you find it was day? She is asking with you. So how we find the day is start. For example, I set the alarm in my mobile phone. Okay, when alarms start ringing, then I come to know it is morning. Okay, and a temple is also nearby my house. When the pujari of this temple, that temple play the bhajans in the morning, I also come to know it is morning. And when birds are start chirping near my window, then also I come to know it is day's start. Understand? So many things are there which help us to know the day's start. And as you are a student, so many students are having cows and buffaloes at their home, and cocks, है ना? The cocks also crowing in the morning. This is also a way. And cows start mooing in the morning, buffaloes also, and your mother also. When your mother start working, so some sound comes, है ना, that time. So this is also a indication to know the day's start. Okay. Who told you night had gone away? And who told us to night had gone away? When sun set and it became dark, that time also we come to know the night is start. Now the child is saying, I am wide awake. Now she is saying, I am wide awake, completely awake. Okay, and now I am ready and I want to play with you. This girl want to play with sky, sun, little winds, birds, trees, brownie bees and creepy grass. Okay student. And what is good thing with this girl? The good thing with this girl is when she wake up, she says good morning to all. है ना? As suppose my friend comes my home in 12 o'clock in the afternoon. What we have to say to our friend? Good morning or something else? Yes, we have to say good afternoon. After 2 o'clock we have to say good afternoon, and in the evening we have to say good evening to all. Okay, and at night when we go to our bed, that time, our sleeping time, we have to say good night. Understand? Now explanation of chapter 2, Magic Garden. Yes, I will not read the chapter, I will explain only. Okay, now this chapter explanation is in this picture, in this lesson there is a garden. Okay, there is a garden, and this garden is in a school playground. Where is it? It is in a school playground, and it is very beautiful. Why the garden is very beautiful? Because so many flowers like sunflowers, roses, marigolds, poppies and pansies. So this type of flowers are blooming there. That's why the garden was pretty, looking very pretty, very beautiful. And the sunshine, the rays of sun falls on this garden more than any other place. Okay, so the flowers dance and they sing happily because the sun fell on the garden. So the flowers dance and sang happily, and they talk with each other also. What they talk? They always talk about the little gardeners. Little gardener means the children of school, the children from the school. The little children are the gardeners of that garden. Okay. What happened? One day, flowers were talking with each other, and birds also. Okay. Flowers, all the flowers, marigold, sunflower, poppies, all the flowers, and birds who is sitting on the tree in the garden, they were talking. All were talking that they love the children very much. Why they love the children very much? Poppy said, poppy is the name of a flower. One day the poppy said, because the children of the school brings water for them. They bring water in their water bottles, and they water the plant also. Okay, and they were talking about boys also. They said not only girls, boys are also very good because they dig the ground. They dig the ground. Okay, that's why all flowers said that boys are also good. Girls are good because they bring the water, and boys are good because they dig the garden. Dig means khodna, khudai karna. And one tiny bird means one small bird who is sitting on the tree. That bird also said, the student, the children of the school are very kind for us. Why very kind? Because the children brings bread for the birds. Understand? They bring waters for the plants and bread for the birds. So all the birds and all the flowers were loved to the children. So the flower, one day the flower decided कि we will work hard to make our dress very pretty. Dress means petal, petal of the flowers. For the children will be here soon. They said कि we will make our dresses very beautiful. And the son who was hearing the birds and flowers, he also said, I will help you. सन ने भी कहा, I will help you to make your dress beautiful. क्या कहा उसने सन ने? सन ने भी कहा कि मैं भी तुम्हारी हेल्प करूँगा तुम्हारी बर्ड्स को, तुम्हारी ड्रेस को सुंदर होने के लिए. ठीक है. सडनली द चिल्ड्रन केम आउट लाफिंग एंड सिंगिंग. सडनली इन इंटरवल टाइम all the children from the school, they came out laughing and singing. When the students were coming outside in the ground, that time all the flowers stopped their song and talking also. Why they stopped the song? Because they want to listen the children. वो बच्चों की बातें सुनना चाहते थे ना, इसलिए उन्होंने अपना गाना गाना बंद कर दिया. Then a child came. He looked at the sunflower and said, "Oh, look at the tall sunflower." How was the sunflower? Sunflower was very tall. So he said, that boy said, "Oh, look at the tall sunflower." And sunflower was beautiful also. And the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Then that time sunflower feel very happy because the children were liking him. बच्चों से पसंद कर रहे थे ना, तो इसलिए sunflower को बड़ी खुशी हुई. And another child said, "I love the marigold in its golden." And one more child said, "I like the sunflower very much because of its color." Sunflower has golden color. Golden color means yellow color. After hearing this, marigold smiled happily. अब marigold को भी बड़ी खुशी हुई कि बच्चे मुझको भी पसंद करते हैं. The children also like me. Okay. At that time, now it was indeed a magic garden. ये सचमुच में एक मैजिक गार्डन था. गार्डन तो सभी होते हैं, ऑर्डिनरी गार्डन्स है ना, बट दिस गार्डन वॉज रियली अ मैजिक गार्डन बिकॉज इट हैड fairies too. Because in this garden there are so many fairies. That's why the garden was magic. Understand? All the fairies danced and sang sweet songs for the children. Only children can hear the song of fairies, and others cannot hear the song of fairies. Understand? सिर्फ बच्चे ही सुन सकते थे, कोई और नहीं सुन सकता था फेरीज का गाना. ओके. फिर आफ्टर अ टाइम व्हेन द स्टूडेंट ऑल द चिल्ड्रंस वर इन द गार्डन, दैट टाइम fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. And the dresses of the fairies were very beautiful because the dresses of fairies were made of flowers and the wings. These wings are made of sunshine. Sunshine में सूरज की किरणों की बनी हुई थी उनके पंख. And dress was made of flowers. Okay. Then what happened at night? At night the magic garden was quiet at night. The whole garden was quiet, means everybody in the garden. Everybody means flowers and birds. All were sleeping, and all the flowers and birds are dreaming of the next day when the children would come again in the garden, and they will bring water and bread for flowers and birds. And the name of this story, writer name is Margaret H. Bolton. Margaret H. Bolton is the writer of this story. Okay. Now, one more lesson is here in your syllabus. है ना? The name of this lesson is Bird Talk. It is a poem again. Who written this? Eileen Fisher wrote this poem for you, for children. Okay. In this poem there are two birds. One name is Robin and one name is Jack. Okay. What happened? One day the both children were sitting in a garden and they were talking about the people. They were talking about the people, and they were surprised also to see us, to see the human beings. To see us means आप हमको देखकर वो बड़े सरप्राइज हो रहे थे दोनों बर्ड्स. Why? They were thinking how the people were grow. मतलब इंसान कैसे बढ़ते हैं. Though they don't have feathers, when they grows. अच्छा, first thing, as you know, when the baby of bird grows, तो जब वो बड़ा होता है बर्ड का बेबी, तो उसके शरीर में, उसकी बॉडी में विंग्स निकल के आ जाते हैं, फेदर्स आते हैं. सॉरी, सबसे पहले फेदर्स आते हैं, छोटे छोटे बाल. सो दीज टू बर्ड्स आर थिंकिंग, व्हाई डोंट पीपल हैव फेदर्स. लोगों के क्यों नहीं होते हैं फेदर्स व्हेन दे ग्रो. ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड दे अगेन थिंक पीपल डोंट ईट द बीटल्स लाइक अस. पीपल हमारी तरह बीटल्स भी नहीं खाते हैं. एंड दे डोंट ग्रो विंग्स एंड द पीपल हैव नॉट द विंग्स. We are having the wings. Bird are saying कि we are having wings, but people are not having wings. And people also not like to sitting on the wires like us. और जो लोग होते हैं वो हमारी तरह तारों में भी नहीं बैठते, अच्छा नहीं लगता उनको. ठीक है, this thing the birds are thinking कि people don't like to sit on the wires. These two children are thinking these things. Okay. Then these birds are saying the people are very funny. This way, by this way, the people are very funny. Funny means which make us to laugh. मतलब हंसी आती है उन्हें देखकर. Understand? बर्ड्स आर थिंकिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू देम. बर्ड्स अब सोच रही है हमारे बारे में, तो वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग तो सोचेगी ना. हमारे पंख हैं, हम उड़ते हैं, हम बीटल खाते हैं. आदमी लोग तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करते. क्यों नहीं करते होंगे? वाई दे डोंट डू दिस? एंड यू कैन सी हियर सो मैनी बर्ड्स आर सिटिंग ऑन वायर्स, है ना. एंड बर्ड्स सिट ऑन ट्रीज, ब्रांचेस एंड अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. कहीं पर भी बैठ जाती है ना चिड़िया, बट वी कांट सिट anywhere. So there are so many things which the birds can do but we cannot do, and so many things for the birds which we can do but birds can't do. In my Zoom class, a girl told me we can do homework but birds can't do the homework. Yes, that girl was very true, because we people do the study ना, हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, after that we also do our homework, but birds cannot do these things. नहीं कर सकती चिड़िया. Yes, birds can't do the study like you and birds can't do the homework like you, है ना. And so many things which birds can't do. For example, I gave you in my Zoom class, birds can't drive a car, birds can't do cycling, birds can't cook food like your mother, birds never wash the clothes because they never wear the clothes. वो कपड़े ही नहीं पहनती तो धोएगी क्या, है ना. तो so many things are there which birds can't do. So think about it, ठीक है. And also think about which birds can do but we cannot do. Birds can fly, we can't fly. Birds can eat beetles, we can't eat the beetles, है ना. And birds make a nest, we can't make a nest. And birds can sit on wires, trees, branches, log. वो तो हमारे गाड़ियों के ऊपर भी बैठ जाती है ना sometime, तो but we can't sit. One more thing मैंने देखा था when I was small, when I was young, मैं छोटी बच्ची थी, तो that time I have a cow. मेरे पास एक cow थी हमारे पास, ठीक है. तो birds sit on that cow also. गाय के ऊपर भी बैठती थी चिड़िया. Can you sit on a cow? No, na. There are so many things which you have to think. So okay, my dear student, this was your explanation of your 3 chapters, and be ready for your exam and do hard work to get good and very good marks. Okay, now thank you, bye bye.